Alright, howdy folks, we're back. We are going to do the unboxing of a Stanley Power IT 1000 watt inverter. And it comes with the clamps, supposedly. We'll see that here in a minute. It's got an LCD display, and it has 3 outlets on a 1000 watt inverter, which I kind of find interesting, because not many of them have a 1000 watt inverter. A 3 plug-in for a 1000 watt inverter. It also comes with 2 USB ports, 3.1 amps of charging capability across them both. You know, the one thing, folks, I've always wondered is, and maybe it's just a feature that I would want, so not so much something that somebody else would, is a freaking 12 volt power port plug on one of these. You know, a 12 volt power plug pass through. Am I asking for the world? I guess so. So, as far as the back of the box says, you know, LCD display information. Now, this is where it gets interesting. This is actually not built by Stanley. It's just one of those licensed products. Products are manufactured by Bacchus Global LLC, if anybody can actually read that freaking. So, and down here it says Stanley, and the Stanley logo are registered trademarks of Stanley Black & Decker Incorporated or one of its affiliates and used under license. So this is a licensed unit. This, you know, for the name, not something that Stanley has actually built. But we're going to test it with some Black & Decker tools. So, alright, let's get the unboxing. Oh boy. Yes. I do like that it comes in a nice bag. Everything hasn't been out of the box, and it's already got a little bit of scuff marks. Okay. Ground cable. And we have a positive cable with a 200 amp fuse. That's a fuse, not a circuit breaker. And the obligatory toilet paper for some people. What's that? Oh, the lawyers are saying to me that I do need to tell you that these are the instructions. You need to read the instructions. Yeah, fuck that. Okay. So, from the looks of it, all we're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. Now, what we are powering this with is a 350 cold cranking amp. Oh, don't you dare tell me that I just lost that. I just did. Oh. Oh. Yeah, good enough for the time being. Okay. All we should need, if you're not a freaking person like me that has lost the screw, is just a and you know what, folks? As soon as I would frickin' shut that camera off and go looking for it, that's when I'd find it. That is when I'd find it. So I'm not even going to go look for it. I've got a bolt right here on the table. Screw it! So. Now, back to what I was saying. The battery we're using is a 350 cold cranking amp lawnmower battery. So, fairly good sized lawnmower battery. And it is fully charged. So, red to positive, negative to black. Woo! Little bit arky there. But, let's see. Shows you how many watts you're drawing. Alright, let's try this out. Something, you know, something somebody would actually use. Ah. Okay, let's see, will it take it? Well, oh, it does not like it when you release that much load. What the hell? We are cooking! Oh. Okay. Let's give it something a little bit less of a load. Let's try a Dremel tool. And we're going to put it on the low setting to start. And conduct. Wow, that thing actually draws some serious power. 78. Let's see. About 107 watts of power wide open. Now let's see if I back it down. No! Let me guess. Nothing. Okay, it does not like these high draw loads. And then them just dropping off. This actually kind of disappoints me. Kind of very much disappoints me, because this thing, you know, I would have thought Stanley would have checked into what the hell their namesake was going on a little bit better. Alright, let's plug in a soldering iron. 3 watts. And this is rated for 25, so... I mean, I know it's old, but come on! Alright. Let's see. Now, let's try out those USB ports. Okay. And what the heck? Okay. Well, it's charging it. Well, in conclusion, folks, I really have to say I am very disappointed in the fact that it will not handle the surge loads very well. Other than that, it aims to be a nice unit for $70, but you know, not being able to handle those surge loads, that's a real killer for me. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, because we've got a solar panel kit that we're going to be playing with. So, and that's kind of the whole big reason why this one came about. I've been wanting to play with solar panels, but the kits have just been way too expensive until recently. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.